what is the biggest challenge to overcome, in your view, regarding offshore wind in Poland?
That's actually a tricky question, because I mean there's a number of challenges. It's not because Poland. I mean every young market has a number of challenges to deliver to make the story a success. In case of Poland, I would see related to local supply chain. It's probably the continuing demand on the market. So obviously we do have first wave of projects, first phase of projects that's currently being developed, hopefully to be constructed in coming years. And then we expect new projects, those 11 sites that are currently being tendered. I guess the very important risk here, and Peter also mentioned that, is to have a continuous demand and supply on the project. So if Polish companies, local companies, are able to transform to be a contractor for offshore wind, they need to be sure is that not just for 5 projects, 3 projects, whatever the amount of project is. Then there is a significant gap in terms of time, and after that comes another round of projects. So I guess steady progress is key, and maintaining the steady progress is an important challenge for Polish market.
Will there be a supply chain database to register at, or how do companies make sure to be invited for tenders by Ocean Winds?
I can give a very short answer that definitely we do have and will have a database that you can register to become a provider for ocean winds, not only locally but also globally.